Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are diving into a full review, unboxing, and demo of the March 2021 BoxyCharm Premium Box. We're going to go into a full demo, try all the products in the box, or most of them, talk through them, review the works. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Premium Box for March with me, stay tuned. Alright, so first out of the box is the theme card, which is identical to the theme card from the Luxe box. It is BoxyCharm Lucky, really cute, very on brand for, March, St. Patrick's Day. Very green, I like it. Okay, so the next item out of the box comes from, this is Beauty Diva London. This is Perfect Your Eyes with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. Retails for $48. Let's pop this open. So they are these small little plasticky orange brushes. I'm not going to lie, they do feel pretty cheap. We're going to be trying them today with the Venus 3 palette that came from my BoxyCharm box. If you want to see my base unboxing, it'll be right up there. Alright, so the brushes are working, but they're definitely taking me longer than I'm used to get a good blend. A good brush is game changer, and this is just a little more work than I would like. Alright, so that is all I'm going to be using the brushes for. So I'm going to go throw on mascara, lashes, and an inner corner highlight, and I'll be right back to go into the next item in the box. Alright, so the next item out of the box I will be skipping. Obviously my base is already on, but this is the Too Faced Hangover Good To Go Moisturizer. You guys know I do have a skin sensitivity that I cannot use things with coconut, and this does feature coconut as an ingredient. The Hangover Good To Go Protects gives you a hydrated, glowing complexion while you shield from harmful UVA and UVB rays with broad-spectrum SPF 25. This lightweight, dewy moisturizer is your daily source of antioxidants, vitamin-rich moisture, and sun protection. Retails for $35. The next item, obviously my lashes are already on, I'm also skipping. They did send the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. This actually came in a BoxyCharm before, so it is a repeat item for some people. An ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes to deliver fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Retails for $23. I didn't like it then, I don't like it now. So I threw on my Beauty For Real mascara and a pair of lashes from Base Blue because I knew I wasn't going to use this mascara, so I just threw this on to save myself the time. The next item out of the box is from Haus Labs, and I actually already own this product, so I'm going to be using mine and dropping the other one in a giveaway. This is the Haus Labs RIP Liner, a creamy, high-pigment lip pencil that balances precision with one-stroke demi-matte payoff to slay your lip look every time. Comfortable, long-wearing formula was made to outline with ease to fill for all-over color. Retails for $16. I will be using this to line my lips today. This is in the shade Myth. I love this color. Like I said, I did already own this, so I already know it's a formula I like. I already know it's a color I like. The next item, however, I'm not too sure about yet. This is from the brand Rion Beauty. It is the Kiss 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 Liquid Lip Balm, non-sticky alternative to a classic lip gloss. The liquid balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oil to hydrate and protect, provides a high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. Retails for $16. I'm going to layer that right on top of the Myth lip liner. I actually think that color is kind of a perfect match. So it has a little bit of that like oily tingliness to it, which I don't dislike. Definitely a pretty color. I don't know if it's a color I would pair with this eye look, but it is a pretty color nonetheless. And the last item out of the box comes from Glow Skin Beauty. These are the Beta Clarity BHA drops. These formulated drops feature clarifying AHA and BHA acids to eliminate impurities, rebalance oils, visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and pores, while radiance promoting retinol smooths and revitalized Perfect for all skin types except extremely sensitive. Any retinol you don't want to use if you're extremely sensitive. Retails for $48. I do say this in every single video where I have skincare present. Unless you're consistently using a product for 28 to 60 days, you do not know if it's going to work. So if I open this now, put it on, we won't see results. We won't even know it's working for 28 to 60 days. So I do currently have AHA and BHAs open. I do currently have a retinol I'm using. So I'm going to drop this into the rotation, and when I'm done with that, I will try this one out, and I'll keep you guys updated in a future unboxing or video or something, how it works when I start using it. And that is the finished look and the finished unboxing. Let me grab my calculator and we can talk about the value of the box. So all in all, this box has a retail of $196, which for a $35 subscription box is really quite good. I definitely didn't love the eye brushes, and I obviously couldn't use the Too Faced product, but the lip combo is beautiful and definitely worth the $35 price point. I will say that this is probably, of the 3 tiers this month, my least favorite box. But I don't know the order my videos are going up, so you might not have seen my base box or my Luxe box yet. I will link them if they're up. If not, come back in a few days and both of them will be up, and see which one I liked a little more than this and which one I liked a whole lot more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Okay, so starting off, I'm going to be using I'm going to start with the shade Dreamy down here. I'm going to take it on this brush, and I'm going to blend that directly into the socket of my eye, and I'm going to turn it like this upside down so that I'm blending into the socket and above rather than lower onto the lid. I really would prefer this color in the crease as opposed to on my lid. On that same brush, I'm going to go into this shade down here, Ecstasy, and I'm going to take that just on the outermost portion of the eye and onto the outer portion of my crease. I'm going to go back into Dreamy, and I'm going to build that shade up just to intensify the color and add a little more drama. Brush, and I'm going to go into the shade, I'm going to go into Heavenly right here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go into Rapture, and I'm going to take that dry on the lid just because it is more of a satin as opposed to a metallic. So that's not giving me enough of a punch, so I'm going to take Beam instead, and I'm going to pull that on top, but I am going to wet it with the setting spray. It's definitely very light and very pink, obviously very spring, but I'm definitely not getting as much of a metallic effect as I would like. I'm definitely getting shine, but you know what I mean, like a true foiled metallic, I think is a little bit more impressive than this. Back into that first brush, I'm just going to intensify and darken the outer portion of the eye again. All right, I'm going to skip liner on my waterline. Instead, I'm going to grab the smudger brush. It looks like it should be a crease brush, but because of how pointy the bottom is, I would rather use this on the lower lash. So I'm going to use the same exact colors I used on top in the opposite order. So starting with the darkest shade and getting that as close as I can to the lower lash line. Then switching to the pencil brush with the lighter shade, I'm going to blend that towards the inner corner.